Today I'm going to show you how to make an oil of oregano. It's not hard. I have 30 milliliters of coconut oil here, and all you have to do, you know, I hate when I hear that. Somebody says, all you have to do, but in this case, all you have to do is you use a essential oil of oregano, if that'll focus in for you. And sometimes these dropper bottles, they don't cooperate so easily. In fact, I'm not getting any coming out. I'll rotate it here and try it again. One. Well, come on, come on. 2. I'm going to put 3 drops in it, but it's recommended to put 2 in 30 milliliters. And that's 3. Alright. So I'm putting a cap on the end of this so it won't leak everywhere. And after you put your 3 drops, 2 or 3 drops to 28 milliliters of coconut oil. You can use olive oil, jojoba, any kind of carrier oil. You have to have that to mix with this, because that essential oil of oregano is very strong. You don't want to take that internally otherwise. You have to have a carrier oil, and it has to be diluted accordingly, or it's very poisonous, so it's not good for you. But making oil of oregano is very helpful to your health, especially when you're coming down with a cold or anything. The first signs I get this taste in my throat, or my sinuses start feeling a little funny, or any of that. I take a couple of drops of this and put it in some water and drink it, and a lot of times I'll put a drop up each nostril like that. 1 drop up each nostril, and whatever's in your sinuses or whatever bug in there is messing with you bad, it'll get it. It will kill it. So I'm glad I was able to show you this. Everybody stay healthy. Please click the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for more notifications.